There are a lot of logical tests we can do inside of R. So let's go ahead and save these to the global environment, and then let's see if x is less than y, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. It just uses the values of x and y to do those tests. Now the double equals lets us see if x is logically equal to y. And right now 5 is not equal to 3, so that is false. But we could change y to the vector z, and it'll do it for every element of z. You'll see the true is when 5 was equal to 5. Now we can do does not equals, which will see if it's not equal to it, and this will actually flip the vector when we do it on z, where it's false because there was a 5 in position 2 of z. Now we're going to change right here and to see if x is contained in z. This is going to ask us, is 5 contained in the vector z? And that is true. You can also work with logicals right here. We'll save these in. The exclamation point basically flips trues and falses, so x was true, and now x is false. When we do or, we see if either x or y is true, and it's true because one of them was true. When we do and, both of them need to be true. So right here, we'll get a false because both x and y are not true. Last but not least, we can do is true to see if x is true, and x is true.